day to all. Welcome to Twin Technology. Today we discuss about SAP HANA architecture. So now we discuss about what is the differentiate between what is SAP ECC versus SAP HANA architecture. I will explain. So syllabus oriented already I shared on yesterday. So please check the video on previous video. I mean daily basis I will post the videos. So don't skip the videos. To end will be I share my knowledge in S4 HANA. So first we discuss about what is the difference between this ECC architecture and the S4 HANA architecture in SAP, right? So basically, as in core ABAP, first you design your table in S11. First create the data table name with a double click and declare the data element with the primary key or non-primary keys. Once you create the data element, double click and set the domain for data types and length. Okay, this is the easiest way to create in SE11, right? So step 2, go to create your SE58 and design your menu painter for module pool screen design. Whatever you enter the front-end developer based on your function code, data are stored in your table with help of your event for PBO and PA. So this is the interface session in ECC, right? So as well same as if you want to report, you write application layer for write the declaration of select queries based on your single or multiple input, based on your declaration to get the data from database to pass in your internal table or manipulating in some loop condition, and finally you got the value to show in your event in classical report. So when you click the classical report for reference field, you get the pop-up in your interactive report. So based on client requirement to develop this. So this architecture especially for report, this architecture especially for module pool, this especially for table creation. And finally, one more thing is for SAP data to share to non-SAP platform like RFC, with the help of RFC middleware connection to share your SAP data to non-SAP like Tableau for dashboard. So dashboard, if you develop the dashboard, the Tableau people to extract the data from SAP, right, with help of middleware with restriction IP, I mean whitelisted IP address based on the data are get from data from SAP. So if you want to connect with SAP, you using the RFC call function based on RFC to get the data or extract the data from database to or non-SAP to data, whatever it is. So in vendor portal or Power BI, I mean your business warehouse, BW, whatever it is, right? So this is the one part of scenario in ECC, as well as to create the non-SAP data, I mean BDC, to extract BDC convert to internal table to recording data, recording screen to pass the data with help of function code. So based on the data are stored in your table. So this is the one of the way to using the conversion technique for BDC or BAP, right? As well same as to create your enhancement in standard SAP for table or screen or any else. Okay, so what are the requirement base? You have to create your enhancements with help of some steps, as well as to create your smart form for invoice bill to get the date to take the printout. So it is the one of the sequence in ECC, as well as this is SAP S4 Hana. I shared the syllabus, so plenty of concept I have to share for analytical calculation view in HANA development. So CDS view will be development. So we don't know, understand, right? So easiest way method I have to develop to design the architecture. So here calculation view, so blah blah something is there. So I will first explain. In ECC you create the table, right? Same as your go to HANA Studio or Eclipse. Okay, first step. In Eclipse, go to perspective, open perspective to create your data dictionary in coding oriented, not like a different way. Here declare the coding. So in D type. So here only declare the data type and the domain with the D type scenario. Once you create a save check activate, Control 6, you can see your view in your GUI. So in GUI screen, it look like same as table will be shows. Whatever you create in coding in defined table, it will be show in your view. Same as you have to create your defined view or SQL name. Based on that, you can create your SE38 GUI, right? Screen, you can enter the data will be stored, or report we can possibly to here based on the view or defined view. So this is the way to get the one of the scenario. As well as when you create your view, how you if you easy to see the report, right? In ECC, same as if you create the tables are stored in your HANA DB. In HANA DB, you have plenty of data are stored. The plenty of table you extract and design one report as like same as view. That is the CDS view. So what is the purpose of the CDS view means? I will simply explain. You have a laptop. You want to plug in your mobile with help of charger wire. So your mobile laptop is a plugging area for connectivity the charger, right? That is the CDS. So your laptop data are transferred to non-SAP or Fiori. So if you want to show the data in Fiori, you want to connecting with the CDS view. The CDS view is plug-in both connectivity with help of OData. So here what will happen, if you want to plug to CDS view, in CDS view you have add the annotation coding. You write the at data annotations. If you write the annotation, you create and service the service binding. Once you complete that step, the Fiori bus tool, your Fiori will be connected with your HANA Studio, HANA. So what will happen? Your HANA data are easily to transfer through your Fiori screen, easily to analytical data in your business people. So how they connecting in ECC? The third party tool you want to connect to show in your dashboard with help of RFC, right? But they are spending plenty of amount for some third party tool. Here plenty of amount to spend with the vendor portal. But here in S4 HANA, no need to spend some much more amount because they are OLAP inbuilt. OLTP and OLAP both are inbuilt in S4 HANA. Just plug in with help of annotations. So many annotations have different kind of annotation is there. If you want to connect with the Fiori, you declare OData public here in your CDS coding. If you want to connect to your BW for embedded analyst, if you want to write at annotation with VDM or aggregation, default aggregations, right? So same way, if you want to connect with the API, you have to write the declaration in your CDS view with the annotations. Same way, using the different kind of things, easy to extract the data from your SAP to non-SAP. Sorry, not SAP for a third-party applications or any business configuration. That is the one of the way. Here, once you complete your CDS view, data are stored here. If you want to if you want to write the coding in database also with help of native SQL, you can write the native SQL for AMDP. So here you creating the calculation view, attribution view, and analytical view. It possible to create in your database application. See, so syllabus. Oh, sorry. You can see here syllabus oriented, I explained it here. For native SQL development, for HANA development, we can create this for integration of and transporting. If you want to see this means we using the more annotations. So you don't know understanding for this. So daily basis I post plenty of videos. So you can easily to understand step by step. Don't worry about that. So this is the basic architecture in S4 HANA CD. Okay. So we have a plenty of concept in this scenario. So each concept oriented, I will elaborate architecture. I will be post slide 2, slide 3. So many topics is there. So don't skip the video. Continue video will be post on daily basis. Watching this video so on time. So you subscribe my channel. Click my bell button. So on time will when I post my videos, you can easily reach out. Enjoy this video. So maximum I share my knowledge in this YouTube. So if you want to interested to connect with the online session and offline session, so I give the my link, some detail in my description. Thank you so much to watching this video. Daily post the video I posting. You just enjoy it. I share my knowledge to you. Thank you.